Curious sa Philippine theater? Here are 4 secret ways Pinoy stage actors become sustainable. Number 1, scripts. Before iPads, all actors were required to have their scripts on hand, annotated, and memorized. Pero ngayon, I've been seeing more and more actors use paperless scripts to save money, time, space, and the environment. Number 2, laundry. Dahil may mga shows na umaabot na up to 1,000 costume pieces per show, hindi realistic at sustainable na labhan at plan sa'yo ng costume pieces every single day. Kaya naman most costume teams use either a laundry spray or kahit gin and Fabcon mixture to deodorize and sanitize clothes. Number 3, wardrobe. Minsan nagtataka ba kayo kung bakit may mga TV shows o kaya theater shows na parang sobrang familiar ng costume? That's because designers have huge warehouses where they can store, rent, or reuse costume pieces na pwedeng gamitin sa ibang projects. That way, hindi basta-basta tinatapon yung damit. Number 4, sweldo. Iba't ibang process per show, pero dahil maraming transactions, some actors offer paperless transfers instead of the traditional cash or check. Buti na lang there are banks who are with us in pushing for sustainability.